Hello, I'm a new member of the Chat GPT community. In this video, I will show you 4 proven cases where Chat GPT has been used for business and actually made a profit. Chat GPT is a hot topic these days, and there are many examples of actual businesses overseas that have used Chat GPT and made profits. Are you running a business? Or are you planning to start a new business? If so, this video is for you. In this video, we will share with you 4 concrete, proven examples of how you can use ChatGPT to improve your business and increase your profits. This video will help you understand 4 proven examples of ChatGPT being used in real businesses and the process of applying it to your business. Please subscribe to this channel for information about AI and ChatGPT, as well as various application ideas, methods, and case studies that can actually be used in real-life business situations. First of all, let me explain why ChatGPT is important for your future business use. As your business grows, you need to be able to handle more customer inquiries and data analysis. However, managing these tasks manually can be time-consuming and inefficient. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It can automate many of these processes, improving the customer experience and leading to increased revenues. ChatGPT has many business benefits because it can be used in a variety of ways. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to improve customer satisfaction, reduce customer churn, and increase sales by providing personalized offers to customers. It can also detect fraud and improve the overall customer service experience. In addition, if ChatGPT is actually to be used in business, this presentation will explain the need for ChatGPT to learn its own customer data and other data associated with the business. To begin with, ChatGPT is a large-scale language model AI. The UI design looks like it is talking to a person, but in fact, the mechanism behind the scenes is that it predicts responses based on a huge amount of 5 trillion pieces of training data. However, the reality is that the actual situation differs from one to another depending on the size of the company, genre of business, scale, etc. Therefore, using a machine learning framework, ChatGPT can learn its own data to derive more accurate and actionable replies. In this video, I will not explain how to learn data, but if there is a request for it, I will publish an explanatory video. Now, let me introduce 4 proven cases where ChatGPT has been used in business and actually made a profit. The first is to use ChatGPT for customer service. When you run a business, you are bound to have to deal with customers. ChatGPT can be used to automate some of these customer interactions to achieve faster responses, better customer service, and increased customer satisfaction. For example, frequently asked questions can be automated to provide personalized answers to each customer, and the ability to hand over inquiries to human agents can be developed if necessary. By providing a better customer service experience, companies can reduce churn and increase revenue. To actually deploy the system, we will train ChatGPT with customer response data, such as frequently asked questions, using a machine learning framework, and create a model in which ChatGPT learns customer information that is unique to that company. From there, it can be used by integrating it with the chatbots and help desks that are actually in use. For example, a major airline used ChatGPT to automate customer service inquiries during the corona pandemic. By using ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries about flight cancellations and refunds, the airline was able to provide faster and more efficient customer service to its customers, further improving profits. Second, content creation is done through ChatGPT, which takes content from ideation and conceptual design to the actual creation process. This allows us to save a great deal of time and effort that would otherwise be spent on manual creation of content. When implementing ChatGPT for content creation, companies must first create a database of existing content creation workflows and associated outputs, and then train it using a machine learning framework and train it using a machine learning framework. These can then be integrated into corporate systems, such as customer management systems, for example. For example, one major media outlet used ChatGPT to generate news stories during the corona epidemic. By training the ChatGPT model with existing news stories and data, the company was able to generate news stories faster and more efficiently. Third, the company can use ChatGPT in sales and marketing. By using ChatGPT, the company can identify potential customers and implement targeted marketing campaigns to increase sales. By analyzing customer data such as browsing history and purchasing behavior, it is possible to understand customer tastes and preferences and make personalized product suggestions. To put this into practice, the first step is to train Chat GPT with existing customer data such as purchase history and demographics. It can also be integrated with marketing automation platforms and customer relationship management systems. For example, one major e-commerce site uses Chat GPT to generate personalized product recommendations for its customers. By analyzing customer data such as purchase history and browsing behavior, the site is able to suggest relevant products to customers and increase sales. The fourth is fraud detection, utilizing Chat GPT to analyze transactions such as customer purchase behavior to detect fraudulent activities, thereby predicting and reducing the risk of financial loss. By analyzing transaction data such as transaction amount and location, Chat GPT can identify anomalies and flag potentially fraudulent activities. When deploying Chat GPT for fraud detection, companies can start by training Chat GPT with existing transaction data and fraud detection rules. Alternatively, Chat GPT can be integrated with fraud detection platforms and alerting systems. For example, a large financial institution is using Chat GPT to detect fraudulent transactions. By analyzing transaction data, such as transaction amount and location, they were able to identify fraudulent activity and prevent financial losses. Now that you are familiar with 4 proven examples of how Chat GPT has been used in business and actually made a profit, let's talk about how to do it. Each method has specific steps you can take to start using Chat GPT in your business today. To begin, businesses can start by identifying which method best fits their business goals and train Chat GPT on their existing data. They also need to integrate Chat GPT with their existing platforms and systems to ensure seamless integration. It is important to note that Chat GPT is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each company will have unique needs and requirements when implementing Chat GPT. Finally, I would like to explain the potential that Chat GPT offers to businesses. Chat GPT is a revolutionary tool. With founders like Elon Musk and Microsoft's over $1 trillion investment, Chat GPT can help your business minimize time and effort and maximize profits. To really start incorporating Chat GPT into your business, please follow these step-by-step instructions. First, start small. Don't try to implement Chat GPT in all your business processes at once. Start with 1 or 2 methods and gradually expand from there. 2. The second is to train Chat GPT on relevant data. For best results, try to train Chat GPT on relevant data specific to your business. 3. The third is to make improvements, monitor the implementation of Chat GPT and adjust as necessary. Doing so will ensure the best results. Following these steps and implementing them will help you achieve the best results. You can also work with an AI consultant for advice on actual implementation so that you can implement Chat GPT in your business and generate additional profits. Chat GPT is going to penetrate the world in various aspects in the future. Whether or not you can use this revolutionary tool will make a big difference in the future. Therefore, it is important to study up now. We are looking for your requests for what you would like to see in the video in the comments section. Please feel free to comment. We will continue to post easy-to-understand videos explaining how to use AI tools, business applications, and how to earn money, so please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.